Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, who was convicted over his remarks against the Modi surname, he had approached Surat Sessions Court for stay of conviction. The Surat court has reserved the order. In his appeal, Rahul Gandhi has termed his conviction as erroneous and patently perverse. Rahul Gandhi's counsel said that the loss of constituency due to conviction and sentencing as well as disqualification as MP are considered to be quote-unquote exceptional circumstances by the apex court for staying conviction. However, the respondent said that losing one's job is no ground for the court to exercise its extraordinary powers to suspend the sentence. BJP MLA and complainant Purnesh Modi, in his reply filed earlier in court, had opposed Rahul's plea for a stay on conviction, saying that the leader is a repetitive offender who is in the habit of making defamatory statements. Arguments from both sides have concluded in court. The order will be pronounced on the 20th of April. Rahul Gandhi, as viewers would recall, was sentenced for 2 years over his remarks in 2019 during a rally in Kolar.
The matter was argued by the accused essentially on the count that the order of the lower court is not proper. This is number one. Number two, that the sentence and the conviction is on very higher side. And number three, that I am being MP. It led to disqualification and it has several other ramifications and several other repercussions, and therefore my conviction should also be stayed. That was his argument. In support of the argument, he referred and relied upon certain piece of the evidence that according to this particular piece of the evidence, part of the evidence, the case of the complainant is shaky. It is not true. This was the sum and substance of the argument.
Siddharth joining us live with more. Siddharth, this is again, at a very critical stage right now because we know that the arguments from both sides have concluded. A decision is still awaited. If you can take us through the proceedings in court, the submissions made by prosecution and defense.
Very interesting day, rather very controversial day as far as the prosecution's argument is concerned. The judge, Robin Mogera, heard Gandhi and the complainant, BJP's Purnesh Modi, before reserving the verdict in that matter. Now as the order would be pronounced on the April of 20th, so there is a lot of time for the both parties to get into the observations. But today what the background came out was, this complaint, the hate speech, very continuously right from the starting of this case, when this case started off, Purnesh Modi has been saying that this is not a matter of an individual, this is not a matter related to the Prime Minister of India, and that is exactly what was told in the court today by the lawyers from Purnesh Modi's side. They told that this cannot be taken lightly. He's a member of parliament, Rahul Gandhi, and interestingly, very interesting point came up when the Purnesh Modi's advocate suggested that Rahul Gandhi is doing kind of a muscle, this is muscle, showing his muscle strength on the court premises, calling off the chief ministers from different states, calling the member of parliament, trying to pressurize. So this was again point made in court by the Purnesh Modi side, and they very clearly said that this cannot be taken lightly. With the three chief ministers coming down to Surat Sessions and District Court and trying to show trying to flex their muscles. That is what he put the whole thing in front of the judge. They said that this shows that they indirectly or directly support what Rahul Gandhi says. So again, a technical point picked up, but R.S. Chima from Rahul Gandhi's side, he said that, at this point of time, Rahul Gandhi has nothing to do with whole of the matter. He won't apologize. Again, the same thing. The whole of this controversy started off from the remark on Modi remark, but has gone down to that, will Rahul Gandhi apologize or not? And today in the court also this was made very clear by R.S. Chima. There is no point of apology at this point of time. So again, definition of 499, the defamation of the IPC, that was discussed, that what are the technicalities of the laws. So the BJP is trying to make this matter against the Prime Minister, but that is the main problem with Rahul Gandhi's side, that they don't want to make it look like that it is going against the Prime Minister Modi. So they are not referring to Prime Minister Modi directly, they are referring to the Modi Samaj. And now the Modi Samaj also, the numbers which were put up by the Purnesh Modi's advocate last time was 12 crore people living in India. come from the Modi Samaj.
Yes.
This was again challenged also. It is not possible of 10, 12 crore people, and they are trying to take political
all those
mileage
aspects
out of
were discussed, but we don't yet know what the court has decided. We will only know on the 20th of April